Hey everyone, welcome back to TV Fix, your channel for smart solutions and tech tips. Today, we're starting a new tutorial. How to use Roku TV TV Guide. Press Guide. To select a channel, scroll to it using the directional buttons and press OK. To find out information on a program, highlight it using the directional buttons and press the blue button. Press back to return to the EPG. To find more episodes of a particular program, highlight it using the directional buttons and press Options *. Select more episodes and press OK. Press TV to return to normal TV viewing. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching TV Fix.